Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube for an installations recap for the week of 7/27/25. The first doll installed for this week was Go-Go Brigitte, a mod era fashion doll from the 1960s. This doll was available in global markets, although I'm not sure if it was available in the US. This doll was acquired from the Netherlands. And the second doll installed for this week was a character doll made of bisque head and jointed composition body by an independent doll artist. Her name is Little Liza Jane. She has multiple points of articulation in her jointed body, and she was made during the 1980s. And the last doll for this week is a 2-inch antique style porcelain doll by Goldie Wilson on a gold tone necklace, made in an exclusive limited edition for the WLBDA group. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.